Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Before we start, we have a disclosure. Please be aware of risk in the future trading. All our videos for educational purpose only, and you're welcome to follow any of our automated signal as long as you are on SIM. We're not responsible for your trade. Earlier, the morning session was not much going on at all, and the market start picking up like around 8 o'clock, and today we will I will show some charts. The Nasdaq already finished. The Nasdaq already hit 8,825. The Nasdaq started around 8 o'clock, took two trades, and it is finished at 8,000. And this is really good. For the ES, actually the Nasdaq was the best movement for today. The ES, let me see, I think we still have one open in position. It's a Friday today, and I don't know where is it, but I will find it. And with the other auto trade, already hit 1,300 today. And what we usually do with this auto trade, this is a different type of auto trade. We try every day from 10 to 11 to make 1,000 on that one here. So what we are going to do, we are going to reload it. And now it's going to start from zero again. And we will see how it's going to take a trade. Already took a trade, and it is a short trade. Now on the Nasdaq, on the Nasdaq, we still have a re-entry on 21,607. It is a re-entry right there. It's a re-entry, and in here you cannot take a trade on this area here. On the ES, there is no trade at this moment. We need to cross the 6,034. Here is the Nasdaq trade. Took the first trade was losing. Took a trade in here and then reverse it. This is the first trade short, and then took one more short, and closed it. And now we are down 115 on that trade, and we'll see what happened. The Nasdaq is coming to the 21,608. There is a weakness in the trend. If you notice, there is a weakness in the trend. The buyers, they are a little bit over the seller. It does not look good to at this moment. We need to hit the 21,607. And for the ES, you do not have a trade on the ES at all. Yeah, the market is not as pretty as it's supposed to be. And we'll see what happens. There is not much going on, really. The market is still the second day sideways. This is a typical January month. And we'll wait a little bit to see what will happen. It seems like the auto trade catch a trend. We usually between 10 and 11 we should make 1,000. Okay, we are a half away and we need to the other half and then we are done. The Nasdaq not moving and the ES not moving. Stick in. Let's see. Not much going on today. Really not much going on. Not for Friday. And then Sorry guys, there is not much going on in the market, so you can see how the Autotrade taking the trades in Nasdaq, and there is no trend. It's getting perfect entry, and the market not moving. It's just going back and forth. But we need little spike in the market. It's going back and forth, and this Autotrade is made for volatility. I mean, it's built for volatility, going between the fibs. And it's just, the market is not just moving, going back and forth. You can see it from the Autotrade. It's desperately trying to catch a trend. And it's not staying from the entry. The market is just gluing at the entry, whether you're taking short or long, is staying on that level. So sometimes it's not the Autotrade, it's the market. I mean, he's doing a perfect entries. And then the market going back and forth. And this is not healthy when you are auto trading. Look at this, it's a straight line. Can you see? And this is a very small time frame, straight line, and it's desperately trying to catch a trend. Short, long, short, long, short, long, and then the market not moving. But at least it's doing better than some other auto trade. Has the advantage when the market don't go to your direction, he do the average price and exit immediately out of a trade. This is how it was built. We are waiting on catching a little trend. Maybe now the Nasdaq will be trending. The institutional number on the Nasdaq today, if we go short, is 21,472. The ES is messy. You cannot auto trade the ES at this moment, neither the NASDAQ. This is a very hard today if you are trying to auto trade the market sitting on the side and there is no news, nothing. We are waiting on the market to move a little bit. Maybe this is it. Let's see. Here it is. Keep going. You can see how hard it was to keep chasing the market. Here it is. Come on, a little bit more. And we are done. We're done. We're done. We have $200 and $800. So this is $1,000. So this is the aim between 10 to 11, and now it's 10:21. We can override the auto trade and close at 800. Plus we have 200. I hope we'll not stop out on this trailing stop. Okay, it did. So now we are 820. I could have override the auto trade and close at 1,000. But we have 820 and we are waiting for more action. So now what we are need is a couple $100 so we finish the 1,000 a day. Here it is. We're done. We hit the 1,000. In 22 minutes, we started the webinar at 10 o'clock. Right now is 10:22. And we hit the 1,000 between 10 and 11. And now we are over 1,000. So probably we are going to finish around 1,500. Okay, we're done. We started at 10 o'clock in 22 minutes. We nailed 1,345 and we are done. Now, if you still have the stomach to go for one more round, you can. You just right click. Let's see the condition in the market, if it's worth it to try one more round. The first things you need to do, this is not in sequence with this one here. The ES have one selling position, one selling signal, and the other two are positive. The Nasdaq is 3 negative. They are not in sequence. And look at this. The YM is a 3 positive signal, indicating the market is like a drunk driver going down the hill with no steering wheel and no brakes. A matter of time before you hit the wall. Anytime before you start auto trading, when you see confliction between the ES, Nasdaq, and the YM, this means you have a problem. If you are more advanced trader, like our traders yesterday highlighted, Mr. Ben, and the sell signal on the ES on the same direction as the 30-year Treasury bond, this is not good. I like to see the 30-year Treasury bond the opposite direction of the ES. So when this market is lining up, you can activate any auto trade. So now at this moment here, we finished in 21 minutes, 1,134. We still have the YM. It was 1,900 on the top, now is shrinking to 1,400. The Nasdaq, I'm not gonna mess with the swing trading, is 8,825, started at 8 o'clock, finished at 9:30. Today is Friday. So now if we wanted to, I'm gonna wait till this market go a little bit farther down. As we said yesterday, the target, it is coming from the market analyzer. Have a 5 different automated trade. I don't know if I have any automated trade right now from the market analyzer. Yes, I do. This is from the market analyzer. And if we look at the market analyzer here, where is the PNL, the market analyzer is based on, and let's go ahead and extend the target on it to the fib level. So this is coming from the market analyzer on the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is based on one contract, the Nasdaq sell, and from the last signal, it was 340 ticks into the profit, 1,810, because the market analyzer based on one contract. This signal here is coming from the market analyzer, but I have two contracts. It's double the amount of the market analyzer, which it is 1,700 based on one contract, and here is 3,600 based on 2 contracts. So as we see here, the target came in. We're not trying to teach you price action. What we're trying to say, how we can manage auto trades. And sadly, most of the amateur traders, they think auto trade should figure out everything. Auto trades cannot figure out everything for you. And the most important with auto trade, how to manage auto trade, is not by using a stupid template. You are the captain on that ship. You need to manage when and how to start your auto trade, avoid problems in the market. So now we hit the target here, and most likely this is the end of the line, because there is a tremendous support area in here. And there is no more short trade on those. Once the market hit the 21,443, there is not much going on. So we did 1,345 in 21 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and reload it, because this is the end of the line. If the market gonna go further down, this auto trade is gonna reverse the market, and it will be nicely done. So once it takes a trade, I will show it to you. It took a trade. It's going short. And we will see what happened. So if you are auto trading ATRs, be careful now. Your ATR auto trade is taking a long. There is no long. You have a re-entry at 21,546. Right there is a re-entry short. So be careful if you are using a moving average auto trade like an ATR. And there are many ATRs now, and they are tweaking the looks on the ATR to trade the Bitcoin with it and all this. And it is really scary. I cannot put anything better than that. Scary to use changing the ATR signal by saying buy and sell and auto trade Bitcoin based on ATRs. It's just the outside looks sophisticated, but it's not. It's just a stupid ATR, and that's really scary. And there is a tremendous losses on those. It look from the outside is a different system, but the inside everybody can see. Professional eye can see they are using ATR. So you gotta be careful with those on some kind of stupid apps. Anyway. So this one here we said is a re-entry. And here it is, start going down. There's not much going on. We have a 325. This is the second round. I'm not too happy about turning it on, but this is the second round, 325. On a day like this, when you hit the 1,000, you should run away. You should not keep trading. The YM finished, and the Nasdaq is already finished. The YM, look at this YM. It was a really struggling today to finish the 1160. A lot of a small trade, but we started around 9 o'clock. This is the European session, and we did very well, one trade, and it was, but earlier today, the European session was really a nightmare on the European session. Did not move that much. The Nasdaq is a straight out shoot and finished. We still have this one here. What a pathetic trade. We are on a straight line, taking position on a straight line. Today, trading is like going to the dentist, I swear. It's 10:37. It's a long journey today. Always in January, the first couple weeks, usually slow. And especially this January, we are waiting on the new president to come take over the office. So most likely everything is on idle at this moment. What is the date? It is the new president in just a few days more, and we are expecting to see a lot of movement in the market. Today is the 17th, so 3-4 more days and it's finished. The auto trade keeps chasing the market and seems like it's gonna catch this one, hopefully. Okay, did it. I'm gonna hold the trade. There is not much going on. I'm going to hold this trade. What you gonna do? Okay, I'll give the chance this one here. Okay, well, here it is. Okay, well, it's gonna come to the support area. There is not much going on. Close position. Let me see if it can close position by, if it can close position, pose. Okay, I'm gonna hold the trade until we see some movement in the market, because this is ridiculous. I mean, that is gonna get us in trouble. So it is folks, there is not much to do today. The market is not really friendly use, and we're gonna call it off. I'm gonna hold all the trades today. You have to learn to hold trades when there is nothing going on before you get in trouble. So we're going to pass on the last 15 minutes, and it's a Friday. We don't need to ruin our weekend. So I wish you the best. Wish you the best weekend you'll ever have, and see you another